So we have got an interesting little job today. It's supposed to be a bit grey, but it's actually starting to look quite nice. We have got two ivy-clad hawthorns, I think. Some kind of heavy, nasty hardwood on a riverbank, almost fallen into the river. Much bigger job if they do fall into the river. So we're going to try and get them out without dropping them in the river. Josh and Dan are meeting us there. Let's go. So the plan is get a line up this ash, have a tether coming off this wall, just piece it in. There we go then, Southwell Dyke, once again clear, thanks to not your average street man. Dad's mate Martin will be happy with this one. He can move on to his next gardening plans. I'll see you guys in the next one.